Many people believe that homosexuality is a psychological disorder. What are your thoughts about it? What do you think about that? Is it a psychological stuff or what it is? I mean, what are your points on it as a psychological stuff?
You know how our people, our domestic help जो घर पे आती हैं, वे उनके बच्चे को या किसी को अगर मीजल या मम्स हो जाते हैं, तो यू नो हाउ देयर अप्रोच इज टू टेक देम टू सम बाबा और तावीज बंधवा देते हैं या हम कुछ करते हैं. And ages ago that used to be the way people used to deal with these things, क्योंकि किसी को पता नहीं था या अवेयरनेस ही नहीं थी कि इसके बारे में क्या किया जा सकता है या इसको कैसे डिफरेंटली हैंडल कर सकते हैं. Ages ago diabetes was looked down upon. Oh my God, उसे diabetes है, because people did not fully understand what it is. Now no one really cares. It's a condition, people live with it. Right? Because वो normalization हो गया है इस चीज का. Similarly, psychology में भी पहले थोड़ा था ऐसा that you know homosexuality was looked as a disorder, but as people evolved, so did psychology, and no one looks at it as a disorder anymore, unless homophobes are everywhere. So ये इस फील्ड में भी हैं. So there are people who are judgmental, are closeted homophobics, or even open homophobics, and they do these things. But mostly it's not looked down upon, and psychologically speaking, it's not a disorder. Even recently, I think last year, it was also डायग्नोस्टिक्स स्टैटिस्टिकल मैनुअल है साइकोलॉजी का, जिसमें सारे डिसऑर्डर्स का लिस्ट होता है. उसमें homosexuality था, and that was scratched out that you're sorry, why are we doing this in this day and age. So things evolve and you integrate more things into it. So has psychology. We've integrated more into it, and homosexuality isn't a disorder anymore.
And what would you do to support this people?
So there are two ways in which I would like to support them. One is obviously therapy, because that's the most immediate help that I can provide. But even apart from therapy, you can just talk to people, just be kind to them, hear their stories. And this isn't just about the queer community, anyone. Empathy is not limited to one thing. You can do that to everyone, and it's always a good idea. And other thing that I would eventually want to do is creating some kind of a safe group for them to just meet up and talk about their experiences, shared experiences, and create a safe space for them.
What is the weirdest thing you have heard about them from a straight person? Like, what is the weirdest thing that you have heard from people around the world or LGBTQ?
So cisgender heterosexual people have a way of hypersexualizing the queer community. So they would often say things like, "वो gay है क्या? मैं तो उससे दूर रहने वाला हूँ यार." As if sex is all that they have on their mind, and gay folks or queer folks in general or lesbians would, you know, just keep looking around the space, trying to find their next target, and as if they are like walking sex machines. So they think of them as so if a friend tries to be, you know, like as you grow older, तुम्हें वो courage मिलता है. If someone comes and says that, you know, I am gay or bisexual or a lesbian, people have a way of offending them by just joking that, oh, मुझ पे लाइन मत मारना please. So they do this thing, they try to flatter themselves by thinking everyone just loves them, and that queer community is just this hypersexualized community जो बस sex के बारे में ही पूरा time सोच रहा है, but they are people. So no one constantly thinks of that.
Also.
No one constantly thinks of food.
So, what do you think being a LGBTQ professional in India is like?
I think India has been doing things for the community. मतलब dialogue शुरू हुआ है, थोड़ा ज़्यादा awareness create हो रहा है, spaces बन रही हैं for the queer folks, but it's not sufficient. मतलब need के सामने जितनी चीज़ें provided हैं वो sufficient नहीं है. So if I choose to, you know, कि मैं queer folks जितने भी हैं सब मेरे पास आ जाओ, मैं सबको therapy दूँगी, but I'm just one person. People decide that, you know, we want to create a space, or we want to do this for the community, or it's okay, in our office we don't discriminate. That's not going to change the bigger picture. But that being said, it is a step in the right direction, and I am hopeful that very soon things would change drastically for the community, because it's 2020. We can't still be living in an archaic day and age.